I bow and may you live long. Welcome once again to paradise. If you're looking for nature's masterpiece hidden in the hills of Sri Lanka, you're about to discover one of its most stunning secrets. Towering at over 720 feet, cascading in tiers down a rugged mountain face, surrounded by lush greenery and clean, cool mountain air. This is Diyaluma Falls, the second highest waterfall in Sri Lanka, and one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in all of South Asia. In this video, we take you on a 10-minute journey through everything you need to know about Diyaluma Falls, from how to get there, to best views, its unique geology, and the thrill of natural infinity pools at the top, to the rich biodiversity and healing freshness of the mountain air. This is more than a destination, it's an experience. Location and height. Diyaluma Falls is located in the Badulla district of Sri Lanka, in the central highlands near the towns of Cascading and Badulla. The waterfall drops from a height of 220 meters, or about 720 feet, making it the second tallest waterfall in the country. Its name Diyaluma means rapid flow of water in Sinhala, and that's exactly what it feels like when you're standing beneath its powerful mist or swimming at the top in one of its natural pools. Natural formation and geology. Diyaluma is not just tall, it's uniquely shaped. It forms from the Punalgalawe, a tributary of the Kudowe, cascading in a series of rocky ledges down a steep cliff face. Over millions of years, the rock formations have carved out dramatic pools and terraces, each more beautiful than the last. The surrounding terrain is a mix of misty mountains, rocky slopes, and grassland, giving it that perfect contrast of wild, untamed nature and serene beauty. How to get there? Diyaluma Falls is about 6 hours from Colombo by car, and about 1.5 hours from Ella. You can reach the base by road, but for the full experience, a hike to the top is highly recommended. There are two main hiking trails, one starting near Punagala, and another near Kaslanda. The hike is moderate, takes about 30 to 45 minutes, and takes you through tea plantations, forests, and rocky plateaus. Natural beauty and scenic views. The view from the top of Diyaluma is spectacular. As you walk toward the edge, the world opens up beneath you. Mountains stretch far into the distance, rivers glisten in the sun, and clouds roll across the valleys like floating cotton. You can relax in a series of natural infinity pools. Some are deep enough to swim in, while others are perfect for simply dipping your feet and taking in the view. It's one of the few places where you can enjoy a waterfall from the top looking down, making it perfect for drone shots. Air quality and health benefits. One of the hidden gems of Diyaluma Falls is the pure air. The oxygen quality in the central highlands is among the best in Sri Lanka. As water crashes down the rocks, it releases negative ions, which are known to boost serotonin levels, reduce stress, and improve mental clarity. Many travelers say they feel refreshed and emotionally lifted after visiting Diyaluma. Tourist experience and what to bring. Wear comfortable hiking shoes, carry water, and bring a change of clothes if you plan to swim. There are no restaurants or shops near the top. Pack snacks, a waterproof camera or GoPro is ideal. Most visitors spend 3 to 4 hours hiking, swimming, and relaxing. Mornings and late afternoons are the best times to visit. Best time to visit. Visit during the dry season from June to September. Avoid rainy months like October-November. Mornings offer foggy views, softer light, and cooler temperatures, ideal for photography and safe swimming. Safety and sustainability. The rocks can be slippery. Stay away from overhangs and edges. Never jump into unknown pools. Don't litter. Avoid using soap or shampoo in the water. Eco-friendly travel helps preserve this wonder. Local culture and stories. Locals believe Diyaluma is blessed by nature spirits. Some say it was created from a prince's tears of love. Nearby villagers welcome travelers warmly, offering stories, tea, and local food through simple homestays. Biodiversity and surroundings. You'll see butterflies, exotic birds, and maybe even deer. The forests have medicinal plants and rare flora. Nearby tea plantations blend beautifully with the environment, perfect for nature lovers and eco-tourists. Nearby attractions. Don't miss Upper Diyaluma, Waterfall Falls, Ella Rock, and the Nine Arches Bridge. Take a scenic train ride, visit a tea factory, or walk through pine forests nearby. Travel tips. Entry is free. Local guides are helpful for the hike. Check the weather beforehand. Bring hats, sunscreen, water, and respect local customs. Diyaluma Falls is more than a destination. It's a natural temple of water, air, and peace. Whether you're an adventurer or a traveler seeking beauty, Diyaluma promises a memory you'll carry forever. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Sri Lankan wonders. Until next time. I abound. May you live long.